Hi guys, my name's Anitsa. I'm just trying to give a shout out to Pure Motivation Fitness Studio. They have put up a program that is just really good for during this quarantine time. It's got everything you need on there. They've made a playbook of what to do, what kind of body types you have, everything you could possibly need. Basically like decades of information into a quick playbook to help you get started, and the information is it's great. Then they've got some online Zoom classes that have been really challenging. I thought I was pretty good at working out at home, and I found out I'm not. They are really good. It keeps you motivated, keeps you accountable. They can see your posture and help you out. They answered any questions you had quickly. It's really great. And then to top it off, at 5:30 at night, they've got an after-school program that's for kids that, it's a quick half an hour, gets the kids motivated, doing some stuff they don't normally do that they really need to do. And then right after at 6, once they've gotten all that energy out, you give them a quick snack and water at the side, and you get to do your workout. And because they got that energy out, it's really easier to get in your workout and be left alone for a little while, especially if they're little and they nag you for snacks while you're busy. So I've been doing that in their weekend yoga, and it's really been great for us. We've really enjoyed it. I think that you should try it out and get that information for you. They've made it so much available for their people, just to, keep everybody healthy. You can tell it's just they'll answer any questions you have, and really really helpful during this time. We really needed it in this house. Everyone's got big smiles now. I'll show you. Say hi.